Hi guys, welcome to our channel, Beyond Trading Group. I'm Beyond Trader. My name is Adar. This is our first video that we're doing here for YouTube. We're gonna cover AMC. That's our favorite stock number one for us. We have been in AMC for over a year. Personally, I started buying it when it was at $2. That's the first time I found this stock, and this stock completely changed my life. So now we're gonna cover where we're at, where I think we're going, what happened, what will happen, and on and on and on. Let's get to the video. Right now we're looking at the 4 hours chart on AMC. I like the 4 hours. It's showing you a very good perspective on the stock and about what happened. As we can see right now, we are at the level of support, very strong level of support. It's going to be very interesting in the next few days and weeks. As always with AMC, it's never boring. There's always something going on. So as you can see, let's check this level of support that we are from long time ago. So over here, it was a very respectable level that we had a lot of touches on. As you can see here, we had touches here after they stole Robinhood and all these apps, stole their buy button. We went back down. Then we had touch point here. We had a double top exactly on the level of support that we are at. Went back down. Again, got another touch point here of resistance. The interesting thing, and that's why it's such a strong level, is that after we broke this level last time, this is exactly when we went boom into the sky, all the way to $72. So this level of support, it's showing you how important it is, because once we broke this level of support, we went very, very high. It's showing you how strong this level is. Right now, we're exactly at this level. And as you can see, we actually have more touch points, a lot of touch points. So we have a touch point here, 1, touch point here, 2, a touch point here, let's call it 3, 4, 5. And at that time, we actually broke through this strong support. Luckily for the stock, what we had now, we had very good news on the SPY. The SPY was very volatile in the last 2 days. And as you can see, the SPY in the last 2 days did this. The SPY is basically in this channel. It's a downtrend channel that it's trying to break through right now. And it may go through this channel. We will need to know to see how it's going to pan out. No one knows. Of course, it's very hard to tell if we're going to end this correction or going to a bear market. It's a question that all the people in the world who are into investing are asking, and no one knows for sure. It looks pretty good for breaking this correction. It looks very strong right now, but it touched the monthly. Let's see if it will be rejected from a monthly or if it will shoot back up. If it will go back up, touch and respect the monthly, get a bounce again from the monthly and go back up, it's gonna look very bullish to me. In general, me personally, I'm bearish on the market. And what makes me most bearish on the market is the paper from Unusual Whales. I don't know if you saw that, but they released a paper showing the buys and sell what the politicians in our country, what they bought and what they sold. And let me tell you, they didn't like SPY. They bought oil, they bought gas, they bought many things that magically went up a lot, like Exxon, for example. Magically, they knew to buy Exxon. Very strange. So what these people did, they sold SPY. All of them. sold SPY. So maybe they know something that we don't, but if our leaders of the country are bearish on the SPY, I would say that maybe they know something that we don't. So that's one of the reasons, the main reasons that I'm bearish on the SPY long term. I think we can go to a bear market. The Nasdaq already did. As you can see, the Nasdaq did do 20%, which makes it a bear market from the all-time highs. Right now is again trying to go back up. You have a resistance here. I believe it's not going to break it, but we will see tomorrow if it breaks it or not. If it breaks it, it might end this correction. But let's go back to AMC. We just need to know. That's why I wanted you to see the SPY. AMC, when the SPY goes up, it does get together with the SPY and go up, or when the SPY collapse and crash, AMC is crashing too. In this time, they are correlating. They don't always correlate, but many times they do, and that's why you have to look at the SPY as well right now. It wasn't like this before. Back then, AMC moved by itself. It didn't need the SPY at all. It was completely different. SPY went down, AMC was mooning. It didn't matter. Right now it does. Right now the SPY is affecting AMC, and that's the reason also, and I think that was very lucky for AMC, because we already broke this level of support. From this level, I expected us to go straight to around the 12.25, and from there, honestly, and I love AMC. I'm a big bear, bull. I'm sorry, I'm a big bull on AMC. I know that AMC will have the short squeeze that we're all waiting for. We will squeeze. Guys, the shorts, they will have to cover. They will have to cover. They have no choice. Shorts, it's just buyers that didn't buy yet in these hedge funds. They short AMC for so much money, and they shorted so many shares. So many failures to deliver. This is like, it's pure corruption. What's going on with AMC? I told you, I've been with AMC since around here. When AMC was on $2, this is when I bought on AMC. And I remember I told my friend, I'm gonna buy this stock. I see AMC is on $2. What? How can AMC be on $2? And he told me, don't touch this stock. This stock is garbage. So I bought AMC. And since this day, I'm following AMC and I'm with it all the way here. And let me just tell you that my account went up from $20,000 to $1.7 million at this day on June 2nd. And with that, let's go back here. So right now what we're seeing, we went back up with the SPY to these levels. And again, we broke through. We got basically the support from here. So we did like a double bottom here, which is very positive on the short term. What I think can happen, I think that if the SPY will continue going up tomorrow, what's gonna happen is that we will go and reach all the way. We can go all the way to around 16.8, maybe 17. I believe that we will touch these lines of a line of resistance. And from my perspective, because my thesis is that the hedges will try to push us and will succeed, unfortunately, a little bit more further down. Because think about it, if you were short, if you are hedge funds, you have unlimited money. They know they will have to cover. They know they will have to sell their shorts. They're not stupid. Maybe we think they're stupid. They're very smart. They are stupid in some ways, and that's why they shorted AMC and continue. This is where they're stupid. You guys are right. But they know what they need to do to mitigate the risk and to also lose less money or even make money from the move. So from what I believe, they will try to push us back down all the way to around maybe $9. And this area is also a very strong area of support. As you can see, many touch points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different touch points. And those are very, very strong area of support. And I believe once the stock also will be less than 10, psychologically, a lot of people will want to buy into it. It's more sexy than $12. It's less than $10 per stock, per share. People really like to hear that. This is mostly, you know, uh, retail investors, which this is what we are. So what I believe is that we will touch this trend line going down, and from there, I believe we will test this area again. And if the SPY will not help us tremendously and something extraordinary will happen, what I believe is from this we will break this level and we'll go back down to around 12, maybe hang out here a little bit. But eventually, unfortunately, we will go back down all the way to the area of $9. And again, I'm not a bear on the stock. I love AMC. AMC completely changed my life. And I'm waiting and I'm buying. I have shares. I'm going to buy more. I'm going to buy options. I'm just waiting for the right moment to buy more. So what I think, I'm going to start buying around the $12. I'm going to start buying more. And then I will just start collecting more and more and more. For the long run, I'm going to buy options for the long term. And we'll just wait until we squeeze, because we definitely going to squeeze, guys. If you have any doubt, because let's say like this downtrend, this is something that creates doubt. This creates doubt. This is a few months of doubt. It's a roller coaster that will just tell you, maybe we're just going to give up on this. AMC will never squeeze. And your friends will tell you, it's not going to happen, guys. It's not going to happen, my friend. They telling me, leave AMC. It's not going to happen. And I tell them, I will not leave AMC. The squeeze will happen. It's going to happen soon, sooner than you think. Not tomorrow, not next week probably. But we're getting there. Every day passing by, we're getting closer and closer and closer to the day of the squeeze. And this is just inevitable. They shorted so many stocks, so many shares. It's impossible not to have the squeeze. All right, let's finish with that. Thank you for watching. This is our first video with the Beyond Trading Group. This is my first video on YouTube. Don't be too harsh on me. If you like, agree, you can like, subscribe. We'll have content on AMC and a lot of other stocks and crypto as much as we can to help you to make the right decision. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.